just we're gonna go fish this particular lake that we're going to. It's a pretty good musky lake. Has a lot of big pike on it. We've had a lot of luck with the rubber on this lake. Walleye colored medusas. I'm gonna be throwing some bucktails because I got my high tranks 8-1 reel, so I can just rip it over those weeds. And I have a good feeling that we're gonna see some muskie, maybe get a muskie, and if not, we're gonna catch some big pike. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? I'm starting off. I think this is the bait you need to start off with on this lake. Walleye colored medusa. This thing is just shredded. I like the mini. You can see just all those shred marks. It doesn't even have an eyeball on this side. I'm just working it kind of like this over those weeds. Wet your line. It's just a beautiful day. Well, not really. We actually have a lot of beautiful musky day. We have a lot of smoke from fires. That's what you love to see, weeds on your bait. If you don't have weeds on your bait every other cast, you're not fishing in the right spots. So just remember that. Me and Owen haven't been to this lake in probably a month. And this is our favorite lake to fish for muskie, just about, I'd say. So it's nice to be back. We've been experimenting a lot. Up the fish right there. Oh, there's one. Look at that. That's cool. Little pike. Just eat it. Here, you might have to net him. He's hooked really badly. Jeez. That's not the size we want. He destroyed that thing. Yeah, he did. We wouldn't usually net this thing, guys, but he ate it pretty hard, it looks like. Well, let's see any new shred marks. Not really. So that's good. But well, at that point, you can't tell. Yeah, that's true. It again, but just didn't bite it. I think it saw my boat or something. Please be a muskie. What are you? Just a big ass. Shoot, I thought that was a muskie. This fish goes to Arya, our #1 subscriber. Thank you, man. He's a great supporter. Not a monster, but hey, any fish on the Topwater is fun, so. And there he goes. is this thing, Jack? I have no idea. Jack just hooked up on this muskie. Both of our GoPros died. Jack just tied on his bulldog and dropped it right off the shoreline, right on the drop off. Hooked into this amazing muskie. Look at this thing. That's a nice muskie. That's a fat, short one. Fat, short muskie. There you have it, guys. Northern Wisconsin muskie. And put her back in like we learned last time. Well, guys, I was throwing that topwater right on a ledge. Right over here, right next to the dock, there's a ledge with the sandbar right there, and then it drops off. Big drop off. Pretty much what I haven't had any follows on bucktails today, and I kind of was thinking maybe deeper water, so I threw this this bulldog, and I literally was jigging it off the bottom, like first cast, no joke. Cast. And I get this. It's not a monster of a fish, but we'll get her out to show you guys here. We're gonna get them back into the water for a nice release. It's a nice fish. There you guys have it. Thanks for watching.